The revolution will be live.
Alright, YouTube, I guess this is the end of that, talking about the story of the wheels. So I did want to let you know, hey, I still got my stock 42 steel sprocket that came with the bike. The dust covers, Steve didn't put them on, but that's fine, I guess it was just mainly to, it saved time, but did want to let y'all see this. Look how bad that bend. It wasn't one but two of them between potholes and going down, but this one's the most pronounced. I'm gonna try and get that fixed, but yeah, we gotta see. Yeah, what's the cost of safety? Shout out to Iron Will. I wouldn't have these without him. And as you can see, Kawasaki babies, loving it. But yeah, they have a nice little glow in the sun. But because they're so bright, I do have to make sure that I keep it clean. But now that you see the inverted colors with the black sprocket, red bolts, and the racing safety wire, I think everything came out really nice. So the next project, I'm waiting for Factory Pro to get back to me because of I'm doing the shift start upgrade and the oil pump cover, which I can kind of show you because I did do the unboxing for it. I'll probably do the clutch cover anyway. Also, yeah, gonna stick that in there, and literally the part of the journey will be complete. Anywho, so also got a brand new front tire, Continental Cadillac Street Attacks, and so far so good. So y'all did see the video of installing the frame sliders from T-Rex, and yeah, that was not good. That was not good. But everybody that kept telling me, hey, your room is bent. I know, I was working on it. But yeah, Iron Will is the reason I got the beautiful Kawasaki Forged. Alright, so in conclusion, wheels are done. One other thing to do, I'll be back in that transmission assembly. I gotta wait for Factory Pro because I'm not gonna do the oil pump cover mod separately. I'm gonna do everything all at once while it's in, I'm in there, and then that's pretty much it. The other stuff, like I said, it might be on hold because of the fact that I have to get another car. This one's having some issues, but it still runs. It's about time. I need a 4-door car. But make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. The man, the ZX Predator, Alex Alexis. Thank y'all for watching. Catch y'all later. extra content YouTube, just letting you know, this is Enzo's cut seat. When I sat in it, that thing hooks you in. Really nice. I might be looking into that, so check it out in a future video.